hit with
Hate,
CC.
language. Oh wait, I just realized that I 100% did not actually like intro my other video. I started the
Oh.
video saying, "Oh, it's recording. Can you like
Oh yeah.
I literally started my
Oh
video
my
like
god.
explaining that I'm recording a video. Like I didn't say like, "Hey,
Alright.
it's me, the gaming Morgana, or here for another video." Like I just like started the video. But that being said, hey there, it's the gaming Morgana.
Is that the very end? It's like, oh, I forgot to say my name. Hey guys, my name's. Very end of the game after the game's over.
Right? Just cut it out and add it into like the previous game. Like, hey, like the video that's already
Hey guys, I
exporting
forgot
to
to
YouTube.
introduce myself. My name is
Like, hey, it's the gaming Morgana. I already said it like multiple times now. I think they know who I am, but it's okay. We're about to play some
Who
ARAM.
the hell
I
is this
got
guy?
48 ping, boys. Let's go. 48
Ooh,
ping,
I started with a
13
BF.
FPS. This is gameplay, quality gameplay right here. Okay, you're not gonna find 14 FPS anywhere else, and I can move perfectly. There's no lag. 41 FPS,
My
50
FPS is at
ping,
150.
42 FPS while downloading a video and recording a video at the same time. Let's go. I'm Poppy, so obviously I'm going to rush a Bomby Cinder. And then
Oh, this is cheese. What the hell? Oh my goodness. Oh no, I'm fucked. I am fucked.
Hey, language, okay? Language. I don't want to get demonetized. I haven't been monetized yet. I'd hate to be demonetized before I'm monetized, okay?
That's true.
Do you know I need 1,000 views before it can be monetized? Doesn't that feel bad? How am I gonna get 1,000 views on these videos?
You got paid.
What do I have to do to get views? Can you share my channel? Can you subscribe to me?
I already subscribed.
Oh, I gotta put the subscription thing up. Hold on. No, I'm trolling myself. Alt tab, OBS, button press, back to the game. Easy, boys.
Oh no, I'm dead.
Huzzah!
Oh my god, I'm melting. Oh, we won the place.
I'll take that. Let's go. They underestimated the power of Poppy.
Wait, off-meta misfortune items include Lumen's Echo? What is this?
Oh!
What?
Well,
What?
You see what just
I'm
happened?
done. What is that?
AP Misfortune is really strong in ARAM. Because your E hits so easily and has such a low cooldown that you just burn
True.
people.
I might just do like IE, Essence Reverb, and just hate.
Oh wow, I keep trying to hit Ari. This rock people keep getting in the way. Oh no, I'm taking a lot of damage. It's like...
Oh, get away from me. Holy crap.
Oh, these are free kills. Ari is so free in 4 seconds.
That is
Okay,
ballsy.
almost. Okay. Let's Mastery Flash with our 0 mana. Let's get them a thumbs up so they know what happened.
Oh, give me them assists.
We're just suiciding now. Okay. We're actually just running it down mid. We're literally running it down mid right now. Wait a second. You gotta stop. You need to stop that.
I got my ulti too. This is cheese as hell.
I love the new voice thing because now I don't have to like have like Discord open to like talk to people.
An ally has been slain.
Nope. Oop. You can't heal him now. Oh wow, you got saved.
Wait. Oh, he.
Braum saved him. Braum thinks South's projectiles. They hit his shield. Oh, you missed.
I got a farm, bro.
Did you see Morgana miss me? With their Q?
Oh, Morgana's bad, dude. This Morgana's trash.
She missed me again. Bro, when do I pop out? Oh, right now. Goodbye.
Oh shit. No! Leave me alone!
You better run away. Are you going Rom?
Oh, Braun is eliminated.
Hi guys, well, how's it going? Hey Soraka, what you doing over there? Come on, let's play a game, Soraka. Let's play a game.
Come and play, child. Oh, you're dead.
Can I move now? Thanks.
This bird has Dark Harvest? What a cheesy little game.
Did you see me just walk out from under their turret?
Yeah,
I walked into that one. Oh no, I didn't CC'd again. Huzzah! Suicide! Nope, I couldn't suicide, I was silenced.
Oh no, I died.
I tried to...
No, someone get Malphite! No!
And by the way, suicide's
Oh,
not a
got
joke. We're saying suicide in the sense of our characters dying because it's a game. But suicide is not a game, okay? Suicide is a real epidemic affecting thousands of people, millions of people all over the world, okay?
Facts.
So don't laugh about suicide unless you're referring to a video game character. In the sense of you're actually, you know, diving under a turret and dying on purpose. Or trying to do something but failing. That is funny. It's a joke.
Instead of
Suicide itself,
it's called inting.
not a joke.
In League of Legends, it's called inting.
Yeah. Inting is
Oh, I'm dead.
An ally has been slain.
Jeez.
everybody
their CC is
ints.
insane.
Everybody, hey, everybody ints. Okay, everybody ints.
Everybody ints.
Everybody ints. Don't need to be ashamed about it. Okay, as a challenger player, I can assure you, everybody ints. Okay. Should I upload this video before part 2 so they don't actually see what rank I am? So they don't see what rank I am until after they watch this video too. And they're like, wait a second, he's not challenger. He lied to us.
It's suspense is out.
Boink! Get over here! Get over here! Did you see me just kill Scion? Not Scion. Did you see me just get the kill on Malphite with my ultimate?
I was helping you out. I got him weak for you.
No, I literally ulted him and he died from my ultimate hit him. I'm fast! Huzzah! I needed items. Oh, I don't. I lied. Well, this Morgana is really bad. I can't believe she has a skin and she stole my champion. Feels bad.
The audacity.
Huzzah! I can't do anything. I'm running away! Ah, you missed. Huzzah!
For sure.
Oops, I almost ran out of it. My bad. Going back in. Copy power. Let's activate. Form of. Into the wall! Nope, he's form of. I'm dead. No, I tried. Bro, all their CC keeps hitting me, but no one follows up with it. Like, I just get CC'd and then CC'd again. But, like, no one's actually, like, hitting
Every
me.
single one of their champions can CC. They have 4 supports, so the CC is high.
No! Wow. Point blank ultimate. Not even fair. Now we're gonna lose the turret. This Brand's AFK.
A summoner has reconnected.
Oh, he came back.
Yeah, but we lost 2 turrets now. Because he was AFK so long.
I'm not good at staying down.
Pretty sure we'll only be fine with 1.
No, we won't. We're gonna lose now. Automatic game loss.
Destroyed.
Game over. If you lose one turret, the game's over automatically.
Yeah. There's no coming back from that. Okay.
I can tell you appreciate detail and craftsmanship.
Run, they're all weak. Run, lads.
I'm waiting for this catalyst. Because it's really gonna speed up the process of me winning the game. Huh?
Take your time.
Huh? Nobody? Nobody thought that was funny? It's okay. Thought it was funny. I laughed at it. That's all that matters. You even get the joke?
Oh, I got the joke.
Okay. Yeah, so at least it was understood. See, it's like I'm talking to you and them at the same time. And by them, I mean the people watching, not the people listening to my conversations. Go away! Boink! Except you. Hup.
Oh, what the? No! She ulted me!
I just got a double kill for free. Did you see what I did? I ulted their whole team away.
Oh my god. Hey, we destroyed the turret! Oh, we got 3 dead! We got 4 dead!
Oh, she
No!
flashed.
Oh, I'm close to getting Essence Reaver. We got him go full on AD. Or AP.
I'm in trouble. Whatever shall I do? I know, I need to buy items.
You not have
Soraka! I'm dead. I'm so dead.
more kills than I do.
I can't believe you KS'd that for me. That felt really bad. I was gonna eat it through Soraka and get the kill. And then you KS'd me.
Enemy double kill.
It's okay though. I forgive you.
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Shut
Wow, that was quick.
That's okay. I'm playing the long game.
Aftershock's cooling down. Did you know that? My Aftershock's cooling down. You know, Aftershock's actually an alcoholic beverage. It's called Aftershock. It's like pink, it's red, it has like a giant crystal, I think, sugar in the bottom of it. It's an
Oh,
alcoholic
finesse
beverage.
the Ari! Finesse the Ari! Wait, don't dive in yet. What? What? I'm done. What the hell is that? So much CC! They only have one good, like...
What's happening? I ran away from the entire fight. Huzzah!
Alright, time to go with the Lucian.
Where are you going?
Echo. Oh, triple
Huzzah!
red! Oh, ace! Get the
Bro.
turret!
Did you see me? Did you see me just return in the fight? Like, wait a second, we can win.
You said go back.
Boom!
Alright, I'm gonna go 4 on AP just to see how cheese this is.
You gotta get cooldown reduction then.
Let's see. I have 20% cooldown reduction.
Don't mind me, I'm not doing anything. Not bothering nobody.
Ignore the tank that's like been CCing the hell out of your team from the start.
I'm doing nothing. I am not a threat. Hey guys, look, I am not a threat. You think I'm a threat? I'm not a threat. I'm not a threat. You shouldn't be afraid of me. You shouldn't be afraid. There's no need to be afraid. Morgana, there's no need to be afraid of me. Why are you running? Why are you running? Morgana, stop running from me. Bro, I'm looking at you see me? I'm just stalling their whole team. They can't even get close to you guys. Look where they are.
Yeah, their Malphite and Brawn came. Oh my god, this Morgana sucks. Oh my goodness.
Where you going? Stop running away. Stop running away. Uh oh, I better get to my shield.
Oh my god. You're dead. You're trolling. You're literally trolling.
Bro, not only did I chase them
I can
both
see
from
it.
here all the way to here, but I just stalled so you all could respawn. We focused, they tried so hard to kill me. They need more magic
Run.
resist.
Run, men! Run forward! Charge!
I think I'm just
wanna
gonna
see
wait
how-
for stone plate.
About me? I'm not good at staying down.
I'm just gonna wait for stone plate.
I wonder how much it'll hurt once I hit him with the toe. No, holy crap! She just melts. How much? She has 469 AP. What is this?
Who, you?
This Ari's cheese.
Double kill.
Oh. Damn, son.
Shut down. An ally
Oh,
has been
triple
slain.
kill. Last one is Morgana.
You guys gonna win
Charge.
without me? I was gone that entire time. You guys are already winning the game. Feels bad.
They don't have any actual decent area. except
Look at my
Ari.
build. Okay, so look at my build. You looking at my build right now?
Rampage.
It's all armor and magic defense.
Now look in the chat.
118 AP. Oh my goodness.
So stupid.
That is not fair.
Where you going, Malphite? Huh? Where you going, Malphite? Huh? Huh? Where you going, Malphite? Huh? Huh? Where you going? Huh? Where you guys going? Huh? Huh? Wanna play these games? Wanna play these reindeer games? Huh? 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 You wanna play these reindeer games? What do I do right now? Huh? Huh? Huzzah! I just went in and 1v5'd. Oh, you missed.
It's a Caitlyn ult. I don't think she'll miss.
No, I mean as in Ari missed me.
Oh, I thought you were talking about Caitlyn's ult.
I'm gonna get this. Hold on.
Go ahead, get it.
Ready for this play? Ready for this play? You ready for this? You ready? You paying attention? You looking? You looking? You watching your map?
Watch. I'm right next to you.
Gotta like play. Were you expecting that? Guarantee you were expecting that. How much were you caught off guard by that play?
An ally has
Do they have any AD on their team at all? Nope.
Did I kill him? Okay, I killed him. I got Luna's egg.
How much more magic resist can I kill?
Magic resist? You should get the Mauve Maltortius. The Mauve Maltortius.
Look at the chat.
And Banshee's Veil.
Look in chat.
And Banshee's Veil.
I
Why is your build allowed? Why is this champion allowed?
Hey, where you going? Where you going? Get back here.
I mean, technically, if
I'm
we
in
were
trouble.
playing a normal game,
I'm in trouble,
solo
boys.
queue,
They're gonna cut me off. I'm in trouble. What am I gonna do? I'm in trouble, boys. So the end is near for me. Sweet.
Psych.
For us, it's so. Did you see what I just did? I literally just walked away
Oh,
from
no.
them. They used all of their CC, and then I just helped them
Psych,
away.
son. Oh, I'm dead.
Do you see how tanky I am? Did you see that? Hey, Malphite, where you going? You want to get eaten to the wall? Huh? Want to get eaten to the wall? Huh? 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 I ignited him. He's dead. He's dead. Stone plate. I'm a super tank.
Super. Now let's go ability power. Go death power. Or hex.
I can't wait to see how much. Oh, they surrendered. I can't wait to see.
GG.
I can't wait to see how much
Yeah.
damage. I can't wait to see how much damage. Like I mitigated how much damage I took.
They use so much CC.
They used so much on me, bro. I was just. Did you see me in that at the end there?
You're literally 1v5 and taking all their CC. And it didn't even do anything. I had the least amount of gold. That's funny.
Now, this is the usual part of our segment where me and whoever I'm playing with, assuming I'm playing with someone, are going to look over the stats and laugh at how ridiculous they are.
Let's see. You did 13k damage to champions.
Without building any damage.
True damage 1,883.
Without building any damage. Oh, wait, they can't see what I'm seeing on the screen. Did I not switch it last? I don't think I switched it over last time. I'm going to switch it over this time. I didn't do it last time. I didn't switch it over. Whoops. They couldn't see anything that was happening. Because I didn't switch to not in game. If I'm in not in game, you guys can see the screen. They should be able to when it loads in. But I had in-game on, so they weren't seeing the screen at all. Feels bad. So last time, remember when I was doing all those things? They didn't see any of that. When I was doing all the stats, they didn't see any of those things happening.
So it's just in-game stuff?
They just saw a black screen.
Oh. You should probably get rid of that. You talking without showing anything.
Bro, I wish I had someone who could just edit like numbers in there, just like put like random numbers, like numbers on the screen as I say a number, just like pop a number on the screen, like ha. Like, or just put like a random video at the end of it, like we talk so much. That's what sucks. We talk so much and we had such a good time. You know what I mean? But I have to cut it out. I'm gonna hear the whole part out now. That whole 11 minutes just gone. Wait, why isn't it showing up now? Hold on.
I might get off.
Window.
Honestly.
Wait, why isn't it showing up? I can't. It's not showing up. Wait a second. Add window capture. League of Legends entire window. Okay. Bro, it's not showing up.
Sounds terrible.
It's not showing up for some reason.
Ever watch Cyberspace as a kid?
Why isn't it showing the game?
Or Cyber Chase? Fucking God.
Yeah, what's happening? So I click the game, right? Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
I click scene, add, window capture, League of Legends. There we go. Now it showed up. I don't know why it wasn't showing up before. There we go. So what are the stats? Oh, you left? No, I guess he left. I'm gonna see if he pops back in. Well, that was that video. I just realized that you guys didn't see anything at the end of the video, and you find that out in this video. So I might actually post this video before that one, so you see this part explaining why you didn't see anything. I just cut a both out.
I only got time for one more.
Okay, why did you leave? I was talking to you. You just left.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I literally, because you left, I had to leave the queue. I didn't get to do any of the stats for the video. Okay.
Damn.
Now they're gonna be like, "Wow, you promised stats. You didn't give us any stats. And what's wrong with this guy?" Luckily, I'm still recording,
They don't need stats. They just need to know how much damage you did.
I guess I heard that part. Oh well. Well, thanks for watching this video. Okay. Again, I'm the Gaming Morgana. If you don't know that by now, you should have been paying attention. I said it like 4 times before the game started. So that's on you at this point. That's all.